I am Johnny D'Souza. I am from Aldona, a bodybuilder, come a fitness trainer, working in Goa Marriotts for the last 14-15 years now. I had gone to represent in bodybuilding competition in Bhutan for South Asian Games Championship of bodybuilding, and I have won second place in South Asia.
So, how was your experience?
The competition was very tough because everyone from every country was their best in their best shape. Okay, so it was a tough competition. Ultra participant halle mujhe category and I came second in South Asia.
How was your preparation?
Preparation, when I am preparing, actually it is like full dedication, full discipline. It was any chance na. When you are going on this level means you can't take a yeah. It has to be 100%.
Okay.
100% sleep, 100% nutrition, 100% everything 100%.
Who are your main supporter in this?
My association GBBFA Bappa sir त्याने म्हाका भरपूर सपोर्ट केला wherever I have like it's not like I have wherever I have said I am going he has always believed in me and given me the support wherever but again it is more to do with financial also bodybuilding and पैसे भरपूर लागता so there are some people like आमचो डेम्पो सर तेणे म्हाका सदांच सपोर्ट केला बाबूश मनसुरात तेणेय म्हाका भरपूर सपोर्ट केला आमचो शिवाजी मडगांवांतल्यान शिवाजीनी म्हाका भरपूर सपोर्ट केला सो देर आर मेनी इंडिविज्युअल्स पीपल फ्रॉम माय जीम ऑल्सो दे हॅव सपोर्टेड मी अ लॉट गमलें केन्ना कोणें म्हाका हें करूंक ना बट अगेन इट्स बॉडी बिल्डींग सो तुका पयशे भरपूर लागता एक प्रेप करतलो जाल्यार इट इज समवेर लायक 4 to 5 lakhs that we spend on the diet medication then your the expense of your traveling so it's not a easy sport. The journey going and coming was we were in a 5-star property which was given for us from the Bhutan Association. Very nice कितें म्हणटा तें and welcoming like full support 5-star हॉटेलान रावताले आमी जेवणाक खाणांक कांयच प्रॉब्लम ना okay while going also it was very smooth while coming it was very smooth so it was like full best experience I can say what the athlete should get.
Okay.
Okay.
So, how about upcoming bodybuilders?
Uh, there is a scope for upcoming bodybuilders, but you have to put like blood, sweat, tears. म्हणटा पळय थंय. It's not a easy game. You can now you have more options in bodybuilding. You have men's physique, you have women's wellness. There are different categories on the top level. You can choose your category and select which competition you want to do, and as per that you can get ready. There are a lot of people in Goa who know about bodybuilding. Take a good coach for yourself. विचारल्यार कोणी सांगनासतना हो आसचो ना you have to be humble for that. There are a lot of people who have knowledge. There are a lot of people who are competing on a higher level. Like one of my very close friend, my brother Videsh Kavlekar is actually competing in Asia today. So there are people who have reached that level. There are some people who have gone that level and stopped also. But you have to be kind enough to ask. You can't do it by yourself. No, I'm not going to stop reaching on this level right now because the level I have reached and the standard I have brought to for Goa also is a very high. There are difficult times where sometimes I think like what I'm doing, I'm just spending money and I'm not getting anything back from it. But I'm not going to stop here because I am the one who has brought up the standard I know in bodybuilding right now. I have won somewhere like 25 First places in Goa, then somewhere like second national I place Liha. Then all India I have ranked second uh, last year. This year in the same competition I have been fifth place in all India. I under IFBB. Then this is the first international one, and that is also the second. So nothing can stop me from first. I have seen the competitors, and next year is going to be more dedicated than. Achievements is in Goa. I have won 25 to 30 first places gold in Goa. Three titles I have, champion of championships in Goa. Then I have second place in Mayor Trophy. Then I have second place, first place in Belgaum competition for the Ganesh last year, 2023. Sorry. Then I have Madhya Pradesh Mayor Trophy. I have second place. Then in India, I have second place in Masters, fifth place in Masters All India. International wise, this is second place in athletic physics that I have uh, below 167 centimeters category.
How your categories winners are declared? That on what grounds
It
they?
is more to do with muscularity, the symmetry, the conditioning, how you represent the self on the stage, and how you move. It's not like a question answer round and all we don't have, because it is bodybuilding. It is how you pose, how you are capable of showing the muscle. Main thing will be the government should support bodybuilding first. Then they should see like where we are lacking, that we are lacking like mostly financially. Every bodybuilder is struggling right now. There are bodybuilders in Goa. When we do a Goan competition, there are somewhere like 200 to 250 athletes per competition. But to take the next step, there is maybe hardly 15 people who are trying to go out of Goa. So the main this will be the support from the government. Second, the bodybuilders should come out for the support. If you are just staying inside and keeping it to yourself, nobody is going to support you. I want each and every bodybuilder to come out and say that I want to represent India or I want to go on a national stage, and that is the time they will get the support. And then dream big, because when you come out and try to achieve, nothing is impossible. What gave me the this of bodybuilding was actually when I was a kid. I have seen many bodybuilders in Aldona, like Terry at one time had the best physique. KG from Pumurpa had the best physique. Luis Tezobao had the best physique at one time. Selvin had the best physique at one time. All these people actually had given me the this to start. Selvin had helped me at that time also, because I was working in his bakery for a long time. When I was learning, when I was in school, I was working in his bakery for the, I think, first 6 7 years. Then he always supported me, he encouraged me, because he saw the this of bodybuilding. I had a very nice physique in my childhood. Maybe the genetics for the sports. That is where I started searching for coaches who had the knowledge at that time. तो करून म्हाका आमचो दत्ता पालेकर सर मेवलो पणजे. He supported me. Then Kaitan sir मेवलो Santa Cruz. He took it little more ahead. Slowly, I started competing. Then there were many other bodybuilders from Goa who supported me, like Amod Madolkar. He supported me a lot. Videsh Kavlekar supported me a lot. Sir Badal Sharma supported me. Amcho Bappa sir, coach right now, he supported me. Ravi Prakash, all the people in Goa who had the knowledge and who I wanted at that time, like from knowledge from them, they always stood by me. They always, like, even if I call and ask them today, I know they are going to answer the call as per this. So there is always support in bodybuilding, but one should be ready to ask for the support in what this they want.
What about your family?
My family has always stood by me. Like my mom, I have mom. My daddy is expired right now, but mom has never said to me like, "Don't do this or don't do this. We are lacking this." She has always been supported me. She has watched it. She has never been for the competition, but she has watched every competition. She has watched every competition. She knows. Who has got the second place, who has got the third place. Till now, she has seen each and every competition. She knows some of my competitors. My wife always supported me because bodybuilding, even though I am the one who cooks, I am the one prepares the meal, but there are times where I will require herself. So she has always been my backbone, my support system. Wherever I go, she is always there to support. Even my daughter, I have a baby girl who is just 4 years, but full supportive. My message to the upcoming people: bodybuilding is not a very easy sport. It requires 100% dedication, 100% discipline, 100% sleep in whatever. Yeah, there are medications used, I'm not saying, but that also has to be monitored 100%. It's never going to be easy. It is blood, sweat, tears. It is going to take everything. Like the final 4 5 days, ending days, is going to be with anxiety. The more tougher the competition, the more tougher the this munda pita hai. But it's not impossible. You have to be dedicated, more focused, more disciplined to endeavor.
So how about your thing? How you say?
Right now, sir, it is many years that I have put into it, and slowly, I am also learning. It's not like I have stopped learning. I am learning about my body, how it reacts, how it is. खंयच्या हेजेर कशें जाता. I am also studying myself, and I'm trying to master it. My future will be, see, I have done Goa, I have done nationals, I have done state, I have done country now, and this is the international one that I have already represented. हेच्या फाटल्यान आता फकत there is only 2 more steps for me which is left. It will be Asia, representing my country for Asia, bringing something in top 2 or top 3, which is my next goal, and then world, because I want to put Goa on that map.